Alright, let's get into this, shall we? This is my room tour of 2018. So, starting on my bedroom door, I have this little yellow E, the E is copper. I actually painted this. I have done several of these for my family members and friends. I did a video on it, link will be down below. On my door, I usually actually put my bag on the back of the door, but I also have my keys and my pineapple doorstop, which I call Bob. The candle I usually burn in the background is from Ikoya, and it is amazing. I will put everything down below. These are just the little trinkets and things that I have, and then I have my lounge. This was my grandmother's, and it is from Fantastic Furniture. I will link it down below if I can. It was like the floor stock item, so I don't know if it's available. My mandala that's on the wall, I actually need to put it up better because the fairy lights that are up there. I got it for Christmas a few years ago. I don't know where it's from, but I absolutely love it. And the top of my tall boy just has all of my little other trinket things. I really want to find some flowers to put in that vase, and this is all of my nail polishes. I got things like my designer brand's base coat. I have a mixture of brands from Revlon to Sally Hansen Extreme Nails to, that's my base coat again. I was just grabbing random ones. Revlon, like I said, Sally Hansen Chrome. Aldi, like I just have a heap. I actually want to find a few new colours. I've got Revita Nail, and yeah, this is where I keep my nail polishes. I've got Kmart ones, L'Oreal, and I just have a heap. These are the curtains that I have that actually cover the door. There's a doorway here, it goes into my grandmother's room, but the curtains just cover it. Her wardrobe's on the other side, but there's a little bit of a gap, and the light comes in. So this is my bed. It's also from Fantastic Furniture. If I can find it, I will link it down below as well. I have a double size. If I can find my Duna cover or anything, I'll link it down below. If not, they are just listed down there anyway. And besides my bed, I have my desk. This desk is from Officeworks. It is not the desk I had when I moved into this house because I broke that one. My chair is also from Fantastic Furniture, but really you can get chairs anywhere. We just ended up buying that one at Fantastic Furniture because it was easier to buy all of our furniture in the same place. And it's pretty comfy. I like it. On my desk, I just actually have my laptop and the little plant, my electric oil burner, another little plant, and my candle holder. I never burn this candle. It's not even scented. And I just have this little bookcase beside my desk. It just holds all my little knickknacks and things. DVDs, books, candles, pencils, makeup products, makeup brushes, lip liners, and just stuff. On my hook that's above my window, I have this little mirror. I actually want to stick a hook below the air conditioner. That is just my ugly old air conditioner. And hang that mirror on because it's in the way, but my stepdad gave me that. And I just have little things on my windowsill because I don't have anywhere to put them. In my wardrobe, I have shelves on either side with drawers, and this is the side closest to the wall of my window. And this shelf has just got foundations, paper, and that pink jewelry thing. That pink drawers have got jewelry in it. The next shelf up has just got my shot glasses. It's got my teapot, pens, pencils, textures, colouring stuff, art supplies. My paints are all up in the very, very top shelf. And this top shelf here has just got other stuff. So it's got my 18th wine glass, it's got my hats, it's got a calculator, it's got label maker, and other big jewelry items. This is all of my summer t-shirts, singlet shirts and stuff like that, workout shirts, basically summer stuff. And underneath that is my makeup collection. I have decided to put it in my wardrobe because the black just doesn't go with anything, so it fits in here perfectly fine. And I have canvases and other stuff down beside it. This shelf in the middle just has books. This is all my other books. I don't read as much. My other ones are all recipe books that I have on display, and these are all just long clothes that don't fit on the other sides, and shoes, snacks for TAFE, and my box of false eyelashes. This storage space up here just holds all of my other stuff. that doesn't fit anywhere else. And this side of my wardrobe now, this is all of my winter shirts, so long sleeve shirts and things like that. And then I have jackets and jumpers underneath and spare coat hangers. On the top shelf here, I've just got my Sephora moisturizers, balloon weights that I used to use as decorations and other stuff. The second shelf has just got all of my candles and my like fancier looking watches. And the bottom shelf has got skincare, hair care, my tea box, and another balloon weight. That's my little cat that my grandmother actually made. I'm never getting rid of that. And so thank you guys for watching. This is just a really quick overview. If you want a more in-depth look in my other stuff, I didn't show you my clothes because that's just weird. But thanks for watching, guys. Check out my description box down below. Hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!